Hey guys, Jordan here from Prolex Media. We're back again with another quick tutorial. Today I wanted to show you something about this little button on the side of your camera you've probably seen before with the little BKT logo on it. What BKT stands for is bracketing. You can use this for a multitude of different things, but I'm not sure if everyone's ever used this button. I'm only making that assumption because I've seen this button before and only recently learned how it works. So basically, what this bracketing button means is you're going to be taking the same picture at a bunch of different settings, so you can utilize those to create HDR images, so you can increase your dynamic range. So with holding down that BKT button, the bracket button, we can cycle through this little menu. You can see that these little numbers change. You can see a 2, 3 with a plus or minus, and basically all that's showing you is the amount of frames your camera is going to take for you, and it's going to calculate the difference in the settings for you. So basically all we're going to do is set the settings for that first exposure. I'm going to be taking pictures of the museum right here. I'm setting that first exposure to make sure I capture the color of the sky. I want to make sure that I still get that blue color while also being able to capture what's in the darkness of the shadows. So I'm going to set mine to 3 with the plus sign. What's this going to do is I'm going to shoot that first frame dark, and then it's going to shoot 2 frames after it with a slower shutter speed so that I can capture what's in the darkness. I'm going to take those 3 frames right now. Those will pop up on screen right here. You can see that they're all at different drastic levels of exposure, and then we're going to combine those into one image, and you'll see what that HDR image looks like at the end. And that's pretty much it. If you like what you saw in this video, make sure to hit that like button, and if you want to see other videos like this and other quick tutorials, make sure to subscribe to our channel. And if you want to see any other specific things or any other tutorials you want to learn from, just make sure you leave a comment down below and we'll be sure to look at those. So we'll see you in the next video. Peace.